terms introduced in this module: armature, the rotating windings of a DC motor; branch circuits, the circuit conductors between the final overcurrent device protecting the circuit and the outlet, S; brush, a conductor between the stationary and rotating parts of a machine. It is usually made of carbon; circuit breaker, a device designed to open and close a circuit by non-automatic means and to open the circuit automatically on a predetermined overcurrent without injury to itself when properly applied within its rating. Commutator, a device used on electric motors or generators to maintain a unidirectional current flow. Continuous duty, operation at a substantially constant load for an indefinitely long time. Controller, a device that serves to govern, in some predetermined manner, the electric power delivered to the apparatus to which it is connected. Delta-connected motor, a type of motor connection having three windings that form a closed circuit with three junction points connected to the line wires. Each winding consists of two coils connected together. Duty describes the length of operation. There are four designations for circuit duty: continuous, periodic, intermittent, and varying. Equipment, a general term including material, fittings, devices, appliances, fixtures, apparatus, and the like used as a part of or in connection with an electrical installation. Field poles, the stationary portion of a DC motor that produces the magnetic field. Horsepower, the rated output capacity of the motor. It is based on breakdown torque, which is the maximum torque a motor will develop without an abrupt drop in speed. Hours, the duty cycle of a motor. Most fractional horsepower motors are marked continuous for around-the-clock operation at the nameplate rating in the rated ambient conditions. Motors marked 1/2 are for half-hour ratings, and those marked 1 are for 1-hour ratings. Intermittent duty, operation for alternate intervals of 1 load and no load, 2 load and rest, or 3 load, no load, and rest. Overcurrent, any current in excess of the rated current of equipment or the ampacity of a conductor. It may result from an overload, short circuit, or ground fault. Overload, operation of equipment in excess of the normal full load rating or of a conductor in excess of rated ampacity, which, after a sufficient length of time, will cause damage or dangerous overheating. A fault such as a short circuit or ground fault is not an overload. Periodic duty, intermittent operation at a substantially constant load for a short and definitely specified time. Revolutions per minute, RPM, the approximate full load speed at the rated power line frequency. The speed of a motor is determined by the number of poles in the winding. Rotation. For single-phase motors, the standard rotation, unless otherwise noted, is counterclockwise facing the lead or opposite shaft end. All motors can be reconnected or reassembled for opposite rotation unless otherwise indicated. Synchronous speed, the speed of the revolving field of the stator, which is dependent on the supply frequency and number of poles in a stator winding. Thermal protector, a protective device for assembly as an integral part of a motor or motor compressor that, when properly applied, protects the motor against dangerous overheating due to overload or failure to start. Varying duty, operation at varying loads and/or intervals of time. Y-connected motor, a type of motor terminal arrangement in which 3 coils are connected together and 3 coils are isolated. Module 26202-20 Motors, Theory and Application 71.